Driving, I cannot do.
Yeah, just talk.
What they want me to talk about?
Welcome intro.
Where are we going?
Make an intro for me.
Oh, an intro for you.
You talk.
Beautiful day. Weather. Today is.
Oh, really? She got a YouTube on and tell me Hazel is here. She really want to try the YouTube. You can make it, Hazel. Make an intro.
I'm a
So
very
easy.
private person.
So make an intro
I'm
now.
also very private. Hello and welcome to Simply CM. Today, those two girls are going to a Nayon. Oh my God! I'm just a driver. I will not use even 1 second there. I will not eat the pig blood. I will not eat the shawarma that they don't have. And I will not eat the Adidas with nails on it. What the fuck is going on? I'm just a driver of today, and I will have a day without women in my life. But a day without women in my life is a beautiful, nice day. It's a me day. So I'll just me myself. It's gonna be beautiful. That's how you make it interesting.
Okay, thank you no, for learning me.
You're welcome.
Okay. Don't make an intro, baby.
Intro ko din na. Ibuka na YouTube.
Yeah, make an intro ba?
Man, ay, kanina na itong intro.
What are we gonna do?
Make an introvert.
Shucks.
Okay, hello guys.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hello my team. Hello fans.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello bestie.
Bestie.
What the
Hello
fuck?
mga besh! Andito na naman si Simply CM! Nagbabalik! Hi guys, it's been so long. Oh, ang tagal na nag-video ako guys kasi sobrang naging busy namin. We just moved out from our home. We've just moved in from our new apartment. Tapos yung bahay namin nabenta na. So alam niyo naman pag
After we move in
No, I'm gonna
and
do
do that
the
and make a
video.
vlog of that, no, but you didn't take that opportunity. What kind of fucking vlogger are you? Showing the daily life, but they move like once in a lifetime. People are moving 1, 2, 3 times. No, I didn't catch that on movie. I didn't catch that on film. I just didn't get the, I didn't get the time for it.
Noisy that. Hi guys, welcome sa channel ko. And on the way kami ngayon sa Piyesta sa Nayon. Filipino event yan dito sa Denmark. Tapos first time naming mag-attend. Even though mga 7 years na kami dito sa Denmark, kaya exciting siya kasi first time namin ma-experience. And then may mga post na yung mga ibang Filipino sa Facebook na may mga a lot of Filipino foods na hindi namin nakakain lagi-lagi dito sa Denmark. So may dinuguan. So yun talaga yung goal ko doon na kakain ng mga Filipino food. Maghab-hab ng food, oy. So yun, tapos kasama ko
There was somebody in the back.
Ito.
I heard something in the
si
back.
Hazel, ready na siya.
Hi, besh!
Atot. Oh, what about you, Martin? Are you not thinking of going maybe?
I cannot go today because last time I went to a Filipino event, there was too much signing of autographs. Apparently people have been seeing me on YouTube. It's just too much. My hand was aching of all the autographs. What can I do? All I can do is not going. I don't want that pain in my hand no more. That's it. That's how it is. So long.